Let's see. Got some half and half, some heavy cream. Got club soda, some Greek yogurt. We got, I don't know, like 5 dozen eggs. Some broccoli, a couple bags. Asparagus, a little more yogurt back there. It was a double pack. Some bell peppers. We got a little pepperoni. We use that egg carton to keep a dozen on hand. Needs to get restocked. Got a couple different cheeses, some Greek kasseri, some cheddar. Got a little mayo back there. Some shredded stuff. And then the meats we keep down in the bottom drawer. Some sausage. Got a little pork there. Got our bacon and some marinating pork. Let's see. Got a little more bacon. And we got some cream cheese and hot dogs. Got a lot of condiments in the door. Love this stuff. Buy that up in Canada and bring it down home.